In the annals of history, many of the world's greatest inventions nearly never saw the light of day. Often teetering on the brink of being scrapped, these innovations overcame skepticism and challenges to ultimately change the world. Here are a few examples highlighting such inventions whose destinies were almost altered. The telephone, one of the most crucial devices in connecting the world, was nearly a lost cause for Alexander Graham Bell. Skeptics questioned its practicality, and Bell himself considered giving up when he faced numerous technical failures. It wasn't until the fateful moment when Bell's assistant, Thomas Watson, heard his voice through the first experimental machine that the potential of the telephone became indisputable, leading to a revolution in communication. Next, we have penicillin, a groundbreaking discovery in medical science. Sir Alexander Fleming stumbled upon it accidentally in 1928 when he noticed that a petri dish contaminated with mold was killing the surrounding bacteria. Initially, Fleming saw it as a curiosity rather than a potential antibiotic. It took over a decade, with efforts from scientists like Howard Florey and Ernst Borischchain, for penicillin to be developed into a life-saving drug. Its mass production during World War II played a critical role in treating wounded soldiers and saving countless lives. Then there's the story of the microwave oven. Percy Spencer, an engineer working on radar technology during World War II, noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket melted when exposed to microwave energy. Spencer's curiosity led him to experiment further, and by 1945, the first commercial microwave oven was developed. However, its high cost and considerable size meant it was not immediately embraced by the public. It took years of refining, with more compact and affordable models, before the microwave became a staple in modern kitchens. Let's also consider the invention of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee. While working at CERN in the late 1980s, Berners-Lee envisioned a system to improve information sharing among scientists. Initially, his proposal received little enthusiasm, and funding was limited. However, as the Internet grew, the intrinsic value of the World Wide Web became evident. Today, it's an indispensable platform affecting virtually every aspect of our lives. Lastly, the Post-it note. In 1968, Spencer Silver, a scientist at 3M, was attempting to develop a super-strong adhesive but ended up creating a low-tack, reusable adhesive. For years, the concept languished without a clear application. It wasn't until 1974 when Arthur Fry, another 3M scientist, found it useful for bookmarking his hymn book that the potential of these sticky notes was realized. By 1980, Post-it notes were released to the market and became an instant success. These stories remind us that perseverance, curiosity, and an open mind can transform near failures into world-changing triumphs. The inventions that almost didn't happen often turn out to be the ones we can't imagine living without today.